Julie with Warmboard, and today I'm on site in Jericho, Vermont, about 25 minutes outside of Burlington. Warmboard-S panels are being installed today on this beautiful October day. Come along with me as we lay the first few rows.
This home is using Warmboard-S and is going for net zero. So a unique feature to help attain that goal is making the exterior walls 14 inches thick for added R value. In our standard everyday designs, Warmboard-S panels are designed for a typical 6-inch wall to sit on the perimeter without covering tubing. How we accommodate that same result with thicker walls is to use our double panel. For this home, we are using a 16-inch perimeter from the double panel to lay those 14-inch walls on. Warmboard's engineers use the same panel layout method on log and French country style homes.